The pride wanders off. He's forgotten by his mother, brothers, and cousins, even by the teenagers. Once the adult lions are gone, the other animals relax a bit and are curious about this little lone lion. Too late, he realizes he needs his pride and misses his mother. Alone and lost, calling for his family is not a good idea. Others may hear. Even hippos kill cubs occasionally. They may be vegetarians, but they're by no means harmless. The little misfit doesn't panic. He's naturally a loner. The cub comes near Impala and Puku. Best to stay still and just listen with the listeners. In the quiet, a nocturnal cast emerges, a timid savanna hare, and a musky genet, a cousin of the mongoose. Much more dangerous, the local leopard. Lions and leopards are locked in an ancient rivalry. Both kill each other's cubs if they find them. One instinctive response to extreme fear in animals is to shut down the body, even lose consciousness. It's called a syncope response. 20 yards away from the cub, the leopard pauses. The genet approaches. The leopard isn't distracted, locked onto the cub. A hippo breaks the spell. Hippos may hate leopards, but are unlikely lifesavers for lion cubs. The teenagers have had their meal and lost a skirmish with hyenas. They're in the mood for more mayhem. There's not much hunting strategy yet. Just run at them. Missed again. But just behind the teenager, the cub. He's found his pride. It's a rough reunion. The adolescents are away from the main pride. He's in as much danger with them as he was alone. Mouths watering. Their tentative nips cover him with saliva. It's not in his character to fight back. Their hunting instincts, their frustrations, could claim a first kill. One of their own. The cub, equally confused, tries to suckle. The young males grow increasingly hostile. The misfits desperate to get away. It's only going to get worse. His mother is out looking for him. The teenagers want their plaything back. Few cubs would have survived this night. But there's something about this little loner that defies the odds.